Yo, what's up everyone, it's PK. Today we're going to unbox my new gaming mobile POCO M3. Here we go. Yeah, first we have to open the box. This package is not fine. I ordered this mobile on Flipkart, but no issues. Yeah, it's okay. This is the package of it. Yeah, let's open the box. How is the mobile? Okay, yeah, it's a back case. Yep, we got a new mobile, super fast mobile, which has 6GB RAM on 28GB storage and Snapdragon chip. Yep, okay, it's a fully plastic mobile. This is not metal, and which has 18-watt fast charger as well, but you have to buy the adapter. The fast charging adapter not coming in the box, only normal adapter. So this is the back case. Let's check the quality of it. This is not bad at all. At the same time, it's not cool. Okay, let it be. What's this? Manual. Usually we don't read this. We watch YouTube videos to come to know what's in the mobile. Okay, put it there. This is the power adapter which they give as for free. Not free, it's coming in the box, that's it. And then another one is USB cable. That's it. There is no earphones. If you use earphones a lot, you have to buy it. Yeah, see the mobiles. Yeah, it seems like leather, but it's plastic. It's fully built in plastic and inbuilt battery. And this mobile has 2 speakers. And what's this? IR blaster. Yeah, that's it. They gave 3.5 jack. That's cool. Okay, okay, now we have to assemble this. This is very odd. Okay, this is not going. What's wrong? Is that a right cover or not? Okay, I don't know how to use this cover. I'm cover noob now. Back pouch noob might be. Okay, yep, finally I did it. Okay, that's it. In this, okay, we have to check out the gameplay. Yeah, this is the box and mobile. This mobile running on Snapdragon chip and Android 10. Android 10 is super cool. Here after my videos, gameplay videos coming with inner audio. Yep. So now see the gameplay. Yep. So this is the first time I'm feeling very comfortable in Brawl Stars. Okay, so now it's a real gameplay. This game I played on the POCO M3. Let's see how I'm gonna play. I'm gonna use the new brawler. He's a very good brawler, but I was playing so bad on my old mobile, which was lagging a lot. So that's the reason why I can't play well. But now see, mobile issue or my issue? Yes, that's mobile issue. I never played very well when I used my old mobile, which has just 2GB. This mobile has 6GB RAM. Yes. Okay, we got so many cubes. POCO, come on mate. Oh my gosh, I called you mate, but your mate came. Okay, I have to fall back. Okay, another cube is there. Can I take it? Nope, the bull is going there. We have to kill this bull. Do you guys see any lag? This is very new mobile and very fast game on this mobile. I didn't see any lag. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think, yep, I thought I lost, but I'm not. We got 10 cubes, only 2 teams left. Who are they? Where's the POCO, the guy? Yeah, sometimes I forgot. I got the gadget, but I'm not using it. Okay, come on, bullying me. Come on. Okay, this is so bad. Only one shot and then we are going to win it. Boom, yes, that's it. This mobile is so cool for Brawl Stars. I never tried. I'm not gonna try any heavy games. Let's see. We can't tell about future. That's it in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys wanted to buy this mobile, the link in this video's description. That's it. Thanks for watching. Happy brawling. See you guys.